Today is the first day of school. A lot of children are excited to get to go back to school. A lot of parents are really excited that their kids are going back to school. And a lot of us haven't been to school in years. And for some people, it's just another day that passes. Nothing seems to change. Well, maybe all of us, whether we go to school or not, or work in schools or not, whether our lives are affected by the school year at all, maybe there's some takeaway that could benefit all of us. We started a sermon series here at Euless First this week on the long and winding road, and we're going to spend a couple of months talking about our stories, our paths, our journeys, and how God has met us and led us and been with us on the journey. So maybe this start of a school year can help us realize that life is a journey. There is movement. Sometimes there's progress. Sometimes there are setbacks. But life is not just one day after another. May you live this week experiencing the life God has given you as a journey. It started someplace and it's going someplace. May you experience God's presence with you in the journey that is your life this week. Peace.